Soft, golden parathas made from liquidy zucchini batter. It's light, wholesome and tasty too. This quick twist on the classic paratha brings ease, nutrition and flavor to your plate in every bite. Start with finely chop the coriander leaves and grating zucchini and garlic too. Mix grated zucchini along with garlic, chopped coriander and dry spice together and mix them well. In a bowl, add flour along with water and make thin batter. Add zucchini mixture in it and combine them well. Heat a pan, brush it lightly with oil, pour zucchini batter and spread it to form a thin paratha. Once bottom is set, flip it and cook it from other side too. Yes, now it's ready to eat. Serve hot with yogurt on any sides whichever you like. Enjoy.